is not a clickbait title. You will master CapCut AI in 2 minutes, so let's go. Start by understanding the basics of how to use CapCut. Learn how to import your clips, how to trim them, how to add transitions, how to use text, and how to export your video. Once you've done that, you can move on to the next step. Now that you know how to use CapCut, it's time to learn how to use CapCut. First up, we have the text-to-video feature. With this feature, you can generate video from text. All you need to do is type in your prompt. For example, let's say I want to generate a video of a bird that flies through the forest. So I'll type in a bird that flies through the forest and then hit enter. Now CapCut will start generating the video. And as you can see, we have some pretty cool results here. We have a variety of different birds that fly through the forest. We can also change the aspect ratio of the video by clicking on the aspect ratio icon. Here we have the options for 16:9, 4:3, and square. We can also change the duration of the video by dragging on these handles. Let's say we want the video to be a little bit longer. We can drag the handle to the right, and now the video will be extended. Next up, we have the Remove Background feature. As the name suggests, this feature allows you to remove the background from your videos. All you need to do is select the part of the video that you want to remove the background from, and then click on the Remove Background icon. Now, CapCut will analyze the video and remove the background. As you can see, we have a variety of different tools that we can use to remove the background. We have the Eraser tool, the Lasso tool, and the Magic Wand tool. We can also change the background by clicking on this icon and selecting a different background. The next feature is the Voice-to-Video feature. With this feature, you can generate video from text using your own voice. All you need to do is type in your script, then click on the record button and start speaking. Once you're done, click on the play button and CapCut will generate the video. The last feature is the Video-to-Video feature. With this feature, you can upload your own video and CapCut will use AI to upgrade the video. For example, let's say we have this video of a car driving on the road. We can upload the video to CapCut and then click on the Video-to-Video icon. Now CapCut will use AI to upgrade the video. And as you can see, we have a variety of different styles that we can choose from. We can also change the aspect ratio of the video by clicking on the aspect ratio icon. And we also have the option to change the duration of the video by dragging on these handles. Let's say we want the video to be a little bit longer. We can drag the handle to the right and now the video will be extended. And that's it. You have mastered CapCut AI. If you learned something new, make sure to like this video and share with your friends. Until next time, stay creative.